Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and then you can tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called reset, tap on it to select it, and then you can tap on the check mark right here to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's wake up the screen, tap on confirm, and now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. It takes a couple of seconds. If after a couple of seconds the watch doesn't turn on, you can always press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the watch turns on, basically. And once you see this animation on the screen and then the QR code, it means that the factory reset is complete. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.